Oops, I swallowed gum. Now what will happen? Will I be choked? Will it get stuck in my food pipe? Will it have a serious problem? Will it form a tree in my stomach? Well, we are here with the answer. Hello, friends. Welcome to Let's Dude. We hope that you have subscribed to our channel. If not, then do subscribe to watch more such curiosity videos. And yes, press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Now, most of us likes to chew different flavors of chewing gum, isn't it? But did you just swallow a gum and looking for the answers of these questions? Then you are at a right place. Let's Dude will solve this mystery today. A word of caution: do not swallow the gum. Before moving ahead, did you know what is gum and what it is made up of? Well, chewing gum is composed of gum base, which is formed from natural raisins like solva and gelutong. Natural gum bases includes latexes like chicle, gelutong, gutta-percha, rosin, etc. In addition to it, there are some sweeteners, colors and flavors too. So it is basically has 20 to 25% gum base and rest 80 to 75% is of flavors. Don't you get happy by listening this? Still, chewing gums are not good for your body. Now what exactly will happen if you swallow a chewing gum? Our researchers suggest that it stays into our body not more than a week. This is a time your body gets to digest a chewing gum. When you swallow a chewing gum, your body digests some part of it, which includes sweeteners, flavoring, preservatives and softeners. Then it is the gum base that indigestible, which would then move to the colon and finally pass in the stool. Your digestive system is built to digest what it can and pass anything that can be digested into your stool. Gastroenterologist Dr. Lisa Ganju of the NYU Langone Medical Center in the New York said, "Your GI tract is very strong. If it can digest a tough steak, it can digest a gum. And chewing gum has absolutely no nutritional value. So most health professionals would advise against swallowing it. Gum won't harm or kill you, but it just isn't logical to swallow it purposely. Swallowing gum, as long as it is relatively small piece, can be harmlessly passed the same way. Your body can safely pass gum within a few days." Now the question comes to your mind is it fine to swallow a gum? And you must be sit relaxed. So if you keep swallowing the gum regularly, will it never cause a problem? Swallowing large amount of gum isn't recommended. Many researchers say that large amount of gum can lead to intestinal blockages, especially in children. It can also cause abdominal pain, chronic constipation, gas, diarrhea, mouth ulcers. Repeatedly chewing gum can lead to jaw and dental problems too. It has been suggested that gum not be given to young children and should only be given to child once they are able to understand to not swallow it. It is bad to swallow chewing gum, but it does not lead to serious problem if you have done it by mistake. And if you swallowed it by mistake, then please consult it with the doctor. So that's it, friends. Hope this mystery of swallowing chewing gum is resolved now. If you want more such why what videos, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us. We have amazing courses available on our website which can be useful to you. So do check them out. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning and follow your curiosity. Thank you.